subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
HTC has silently made its new budget smartphone available in the Russian market called HTC WildfireE2. Talking about the specifications, the HTC WildfireE2 features a 6.22-inch HD Plus display with 276 pixel per inch density, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that houses 8 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. The rear panel of the phone supports dual camera setup including LED flash at the top left corner. The dual rear camera includes 16 megapixel main camera with f2.2 aperture and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the HTC WildfireE2 comes powered by MediaTek Helio P22 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is further expandable up to 128GB via hybrid SIM card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 and it comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 158.4 by 75.9 by 8.95 millimeters and it weighs around 173.5 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. The HTC WildfireE2 has been priced in Russia at 8,760 Russian rubles and it is now available for purchase in the country in black and blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this HTC WildfireE2 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.